Okay, today we are at Cabrillo National Monument. I parked at the tide pool area, trying out my new shoes. Take a check. Where are they? Oop, oop. Saucony. So I was wanting to go live, but there is no signal here, which I did not know. But we are going to see the ocean. Look at that. This is Cabrillo National Monument. The day admission is $20, so I bought an annual pass for $35. All right, let's walk. I have not been to this part of Cabrillo. So let's check it out. My God, I love the ocean. These cliffs, I believe, are made of sandstone. It is not a great idea to go hiking on these cliffs. See that sign? It says area closed for plant rehabilitation. I'm pretty sure you do not want to go even near the edge there. Not a good idea. All right, let's walk. So let me show you where we're at. When I came in, there's like a fork in the road. Whoops, let me fix my zoom. There's a fork in the road up here, and it will say if you want to go to the tide pools, you're going to go to the left. So I had never been to the tide pools, so I said, okay, let's start there. But then as you get down to the bottom, there's different parking areas. So there's one first main parking area, and then it says additional parking up ahead. So I missed the main parking because I was trying to let a bicycle pass, and then I went on to the additional parking area. It's about 10 spots, and that brought me to this trail. So let's walk ahead and see, where does it lead us? So here you can see, it's actually a great spot for looking at the ocean. There must be a cave down there because I keep hearing a booming. Usually that's when the water is going in to the cave area. Let's zoom a bit. So when you're here, don't just stare at the waves. Look out on the horizon too. You'll see boats, and up in the sky you'll see probably some seagulls or other type of seabirds. Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Doing well, thank you. Oh wow. Okay, so you can see there's a rope along here. So probably to keep people from getting too close to the edge. It does have a sign that says trail closed, but considering this type of material, I don't know who would want to go that close to the edge. You definitely will. Oh, there goes the osprey, I believe. Very cool. Look at that beautiful little flower. All right, let's walk. Oh, you see there's another seabird out there. All right, let's walk. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. We got a hungry little fox. Oh, there is a trail. No wonder they had it closed. So you can see here there are some steps built there. So that might be part of where people would go to see the tide pools. Okay, let's walk. I see some seabirds out here, so let's take a look. Look at those weird plants. I think those are agave. All right, let's go see what we see.
We're gonna crash and burn is what's gonna happen. So, Jasper walking.
Morning.
Good morning.
Oh, this is quite a hike. We might drive back to the other parking area just to see what's up. But let me show you, this is another trail. You can see this will go down. Okay, let me pay attention here. Go down these steps. Oh, so pretty. Okay. Oh, I think those are storks or pelicans. Perfect. They disappear into the horizon.